Why y'all darn? What a blessing, Lord of mercy. I'm Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. Wherever you're at in the world, I hope you're having a great week and everything's good with you. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you it's about 82 degrees. Lord have mercy, far cry. We're still in February, but tomorrow morning is supposed to be in the 30s. So yeah, crazy. Before we get started on today's video, I always like to say that if you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, that's yo enough, thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today, Lord of mercy, I think these yard birds, these hens I got over here done went plumb crazy. I'm going to ask for some opinions, maybe some suggestions. Yeah, because this is something I can't figure out. So give me a second and I'm finna show you. All right, so here is my makeshift chicken coop. I'm going to be expanding this here later on. I don't know where the birds are. They're probably all in that coop over there. Yesterday, I spent the day cleaning the coop out, and I noticed quite a few things. I'm going to tell you right up front, these hens are a little over 5 months old. I don't consider them to be mature hens, but they're a little over 5 months old. I walked into this coop and I'm going to show you what I found. So yeah. Okay, look at there, right there. There's one right there. And all I did was all of the manure that I had in the coop, I just kind of scraped it out and put it in the run. Now I'm kind of figuring out I need a bigger run, but anyways, let's go inside. I don't know why they all inside. What are y'all doing? Let's shed some light on the situation. What are y'all doing? What I did was I put in my old roosting ladder that I had in the, hey, you better cut it out, Blue Dog. I put the old roosting ladder that I had in my first coop that I built many years ago. I cut it down and put it out here. But these hens will not roost for some strange reason. They'll stay huddled up exactly where you see them. And here we go. Look at what's on the ground here. Hey, y'all, oh, well, somebody's getting up there. Well, I guess y'all figured it out. But look at all these eggs on the ground. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. Look here. So let me get out here and put these eggs up. I'm in the process of still working on this coop. All right, so those are my two main questions. I'm sure a bunch of y'all have yard birds on the homestead. I know quite a few people that I follow have chickens. But my question is this: have you ever had any hens or any chickens that just would not roost at night? Been having these a little over 5 months. I made some little makeshift roost in there to begin with, a lot lower to the ground. Maybe they'll figure out, oh, I need to get on this at night just to roost. And couldn't get them to roost, so I put the other roosting ladder that I made a long time, that was in that coop over yonder, and I cut it down, leaned it up against the wall, screwed it in, give them something to roost. First, that's the first question. How do y'all get y'all's hens to roost? Or have you ever had any hens or chickens that just refuse to roost? I don't know. My second question is eggs. Has any of your flock at 5 months old, or maybe a little older than 5 months, ever started laying eggs? This is crazy. I've had quite a few chickens. I've had, I don't know, almost 40 birds at one time in a flock in that coop over there at one time. And they were all mature, in my opinion, mature birds, 7, 8 months old. And they started laying. I've never had yard birds that started laying at a little over 5 months. It's crazy. So yeah, if you would, give me y'all's opinions on that. I'm not complaining about it, because heck, that's fresh eggs right there. And then they all out walking around and doing their chicken thing. Hey, Cruella, little crazy bird. I purchased all these birds from the cooperative several months ago, and they turned out to be all pullets, all hens. And except for Cruella, that white one right there with the black head, well, that black one right there with the white head, excuse me, her right there, she is a banny hen, which I didn't know that Polish black crested with banties. But anyway, she's the one oddball in there. Yeah, she's cool as all get out. Well, all right, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. A little short video on what I got going on over here on the farm, especially with the laying hens. Crazy, they won't roost, and yeah, they started laying eggs at a little over 5 months old. That is just crazy. Tell me what y'all think about that. So again, I hope everybody is having a sure enough good week, and I hope you stay safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up to help. Sorry about the wind. If you haven't subscribed to the Home 6 channel, Lord of Mercy, y'all need to come over here and give over there and look, because I'm always doing stuff like dealing with these crazy yardbirds over here. With that being said, you know it's coming down reference show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on, get your grow on, get you some chickens. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.